Get ready folks, these croissants with tons of buttery, light and flaky layers is an easy to follow recipe of breakfast pastries. I'm starting off with this ready-made puff pastry from Tesco. The dough encases the butter, and once you start rolling and folding the dough, the butter is distributed into every layer. Roll the chilled dough into a large rectangle, then cut into triangles to make the croissants. Once the dough is sheeted, it's time to cut it. Use your pizza cutter or a knife to create almost 8 inches of long triangles. Do this gently as you do not want to flatten the layers. Cut a small slit at the wide end of the triangle. Then tightly roll up into a crescent shape, making sure the tip is underneath. When you roll the dough into croissant shapes, make sure that you don't roll it too tightly or too loosely. Make sure you keep enough space between the croissants on the baking tray. I only bake 9 croissants per sheet pan. Brush them with egg yolk. The croissants are ready to bake after that. Finally, preheat the oven for at least 30 minutes before baking the croissants. I like to bake croissants in my oven at 190 degrees for about 30 minutes until the croissants are puffed up and a beautiful golden brown in color. Serve with your favorite jam or just a cup of coffee for a tasty breakfast treat. If this video has helped you in any way, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.